Hello everyone, welcome back to day 5 of Python Learning Challenge. You already know how to store data and input taken from users. But how does Python actually calculate, compares and make decisions with the data? That's where operators come in. Today we will learn Python operators with a simple real-time examples. Operators are special symbols or keywords that tell Python to perform an operations on values or variables. Here is the plus symbol is an operator. It tells Python to A and B add. First, let's look at arithmetic operators. We use them for mathematical calculations. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division work just like a normal mathematics. Double slash gives us floor division, percent gives us the remainder, and double asterisk is used for powers. The module operator is especially useful. It gives us the remainder after division. For example, if a number divided by 2 has a remainder of 0, we know that it's an even number. Next, we compare operations. Instead of calculating a number, they compare two values and return either true or false. One important thing to remember, a single equal sign assign a value while double equal sign compare two values. Python also gives us assignment operators that makes updating variables easier. Instead of writing score equals score 5 plus, we can simply write score plus equals 5. Both means the same. And logical operators help us combine conditions. The three important ones are and, are, and, not. With and, both conditions must be true. With are, at least one must be true. And not, reverse a boolean value. And now let's use what we have learned to create a simple bill calculator. We take the price and quantity from the user, then we use the multiplication operator to calculate the total amount here. This is a simple example of how operators are used in real-time applications. Now it's your turn. Create a mini calculator that asks the user for two numbers, calculate their addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. As a bonus, you can modules operators to find the remainder. Run your program and share your output in the comments. Today we learned almost the operators to calculate values and work with conditions. Tomorrow on day 6 we will learn conditional statements using if, else and else if. Like, subscribe and join me for day 6. Don't miss. Thank you.